In this video tutorial, the second tutorial on how we can use multiple sections on a curve. So in the section technique, we will talk about multiple sections, how we can increase or decrease the number of the sections. We will define thickness and make this bench. How we can change the, let me change the form. We can change the sections and see the results. And I can change this. Take this down. So basically we will learn how we can work with the sections and manage those sections, because when we use the perpendicular frames, which I will explain in the tutorial, we will have two sections here on the form. So this will be two sections, and I will explain how we will just take off one of those sections and delete another, and we'll use some techniques there. And finally we'll have the results. So this tutorial will be the second one on the section technique of the Grasshopper course.